Today, the Supreme Court of India declined to entertain a set of petitions seeking legal action, including a first information report and an SIT investigation against Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma over alleged hate speech targeting the Muslim community. A three-judge bench led by Chief Justice of India Suryakant made it clear that the matters raised by the petitioners can be effectively adjudicated by the jurisdictional Guwahati High Court and should not have been brought directly to the Supreme Court under Article 32 of the Constitution. The bench said it saw no reason to entertain this here and asked the High Court Chief Justice to give the matters an expeditious hearing. The CJI also warned against what he described as a trend of bypassing high courts, especially ahead of elections, and urged political actors to fight elections with mutual respect and self-restraint. Senior advocates for the petitioners argued that the alleged hate speech and related acts undermined constitutional values and warranted direct Supreme Court intervention, but the bench disagreed, stressing the jurisdiction and authority of high courts. There were three main petitions. Once filed by the Communist Party of India, Marxist, and Communist Party of India leader Annie Raja, seeking an FIR, SIT probe, and legal restraint on divisive speech. A petition by four Assamese individuals, including retired intellectuals and a former police chief, citing repeated hate speech. Separate pleas by other activists and leaders also reference alleged hate speech and threats to constitutional values. The petitioners argued the statements went beyond mere rhetoric, calling for economic and civic exclusion, and that existing law enforcement bodies had failed to act. According to the petitions, the Assam Chief Minister made repeated statements directed at the Muslim community, especially the Bengali origin population, often referred to as Mias, a term which petitioners say has been used repeatedly. Petitioners highlighted instances where Sarma reportedly said his job was to make the Mia people suffer and suggested Muslims should not be allowed to vote. In early February, the Assam BJP's official social media account posted and then deleted a controversial video showing Sarma handling a firearm while apparently aiming at representations of Muslim individuals, which critics say escalated the matter into a possible offense under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Activists and parties alleged these statements have real-world consequences, with discriminatory actions reported across social, economic, and civic spheres following the remarks. The Supreme Court did not dismiss the issues on merit. It only refused to hear them directly. The bench made clear that petitioners are free to approach the Guwahati High Court. The High Court will now need to decide whether to register FIRs, order an SIT probe, or address constitutional concerns raised by the petitioners. This is likely to be closely watched given the proximity to elections and the sensitive nature of the allegations. In essence, the Supreme Court has signaled that while hate speech and discrimination allegations are serious, they should go through proper judicial channels first, starting with the High Court rather than bypassing them at the outset.